Hello. The Monroe County Department of Public Health has determined Norovirus, a contagious family of viruses, is likely responsible for recent illnesses on the Henrietta campus. The vast majority of cases were resolved within 24 to 36 hours without medical treatment. However, some RIT students did need care in the Student Health Center, and a few received care in a local emergency department. In response to these cases, we have substantially increased our already stringent deep cleaning and sanitization efforts on high-touch surfaces in residence halls, dining areas, restrooms, and other spaces across campus. Even with the number of cases declining in the past few days, we all must take steps to stay safe. If you are ill, please stay home and do not attend class or go to work. Remember to wash your hands often. Stay in your residence when sick, and avoid preparing food for others. If you feel ill, students, contact the RIT Student Health Center through the Wellness Portal chat here. There is a nurse available after hours. Employees, if you are experiencing symptoms, reach out to your primary care provider. For additional information, please refer to the Frequently Asked Questions video. Thank you.